Hello, welcome back once again to how to cook great food. Really simple tuna, mushroom, tomato pasta. A nice little kind of midweeker, I call this one. Very easy, few ingredients but delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we've got here. I've got my pasta cooked already. I'm using a penne. You can use any pasta you want. Get that ready because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. 1 can of tomatoes, plum tomatoes. I'm going to crush them a little bit, roughly. About 100 grams of sliced, thinly sliced mushrooms. 2 cans, regular cans of tuna. Nice big tablespoon of garlic. Tablespoon of oregano, or if you want a different herb like a basil or an Italian mixed one. 1 onion, some tomato paste. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. That's it. Absolutely delicious, simple. Let's go. So nothing to this, it's really easy. I've got some olive oil in there. If you want to use a different oil, we're going to drop in our onion, cut nice and small, our garlic, high heat. See you in 3 minutes. Those onions and garlic are coming on just really nicely. Very simply, we're going to drop in our mushrooms. I've cut mine really nice and thin. In goes our tuna. In goes our dried herb. I'm using oregano. Use something else if you want. Also, maybe if you fancied it, a little bit of chili in there. Staying on this high heat 3 more minutes. Stirring pretty much all the time. This is going to be fantastic. Could not be easier. Right, let's grab that 1 can of tomatoes, and like I said, I'll just roughly crush them with my hand. We're going to get that tomato paste in there, and I kind of thicken it and give it a deeper colour. Salt, black pepper, and then we're going to lower the heat to a medium and let this go for 5 to 6 minutes. And you've got yourself a really beautiful sauce for our pasta. Give it a stir every now and then. And there you go, beautiful. Really important to cook these tomatoes out. Simply, we're now going to add in our cooked pasta of choice. Like I said, I'm using penne here. Turn the heat up, 2 to 3 minutes. Run that sauce on through the pasta. I see it at the table, and this is done. Now, if you wanted, think about chucking some black olives or green olives in there. That could be nice. Maybe a little bit of anchovy, a couple of anchovy fillets in there. All good. Couple of minutes. See you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really easy. Nice kind of midweeker that one is. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and all that good stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.